Hello everyone, welcome to the ITLS Academy. Today we are going to discuss the another topic that is your measurement of order. Okay, so measurement of the measurement of the color by different methods. That is your platinum cobalt method and spectrophotometer. Spectrophotometric method. These two methods are already discussed in our previous lecture. Okay, but why I'm telling you this in today's lecture, because after the color, the second thing that come in a mind of the consumer is a order. Okay, order is simply means that the smell of something. Okay, maybe it is bad smell, bad odor, and maybe good odor, your good smell. Okay, so after measurement of the color, the second most important thing is that the measurement of order of the water sample, because the smell of the something also attract the consumer after the appearance. After the appearance, the second thing which attract the consumer is order. Okay, smell of something. Suppose that you go to the market and buy like some product, some packed product, but some bad odor are arises at that product, then you will buy or not? Of course not, because of that particular smell. Okay, so smell, this odor also decided the shelf life of the product, give the knowledge about the give the knowledge about the shelf life of the product. Okay, if something is bad, then of course their shelf life is like it is expired product and its shelf life is very low. But if something have a good smell, then obviously its shelf life is more as compared to the particular different another product. So in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the methods for the measurement of that order. Now come to the next slide. Introduction. Okay, so order is recognized as a quality factor affecting the acceptability of drinking water and food prepared from it. Okay, that I've already told you. Order is what? Order is the also affect the accessibility of the drinking water. Okay, suppose that if you want to drink a water, now some bad smell are come from that water, you will not drink it. So that's why this order is also recognized as a quality factor which affecting the acceptability of that drinking water and food prepared from it, tainting of the fish and other aquatic organism, aesthetics of the recreational water. Most of the organic and some inorganic chemicals also contribute taste or odor. Okay, so sometimes this odor are come from the some aquatic organisms, tainting fish, aesthetics of the recreational things. Okay, and some inorganic and organic chemicals also affect the odor of the water. Okay, these chemicals may originate from a municipal and industrial waste discharge. Okay, here the industrial waste discharge, which means that this discharge polluted the water, and due to this discharge, maybe the odor of the water, bad odor of the water arises. Okay, due to the industrial waste discharge or the municipal waste discharge. Sometimes the natural sources also affected the odor quality of the water, like decomposition of the vegetable matter on or from the associated microbial activity. So this is the introductive part. Now the next is your order of the water, how very important. It cannot be determined in absolute unit. Okay, this order are very important, but it cannot be determined by any unit. Okay, so for this what we have to do, we have use a olfactory senses. Okay, this is the most sensitive method, uh, so that we detect the odor of the water. Olfactory senses, which is the most sensitive means of detecting the small concentration of the odoriferous substances, lack precisions, lacks precision and mathematical expression. Nevertheless, a quality test is prescribed. Okay. Now, in case of doubt, so as to the intensity or the character of the odor, a majority opinion of several observations should be recorded. Okay, this is the introductive part. Now the next is your preparation of the apparatus. So after selecting the substance sample, we have to prepare our apparatus so that we perform that experiment, because it is what it is, the sense experiment. Okay, throw clean the requisite number of wide mouth glass stopper bottle of about 1 liter capacity. Okay, so first of all, we take a wide mouth glass stopper bottle. Mouth glass stopper bottle. And it should be cleaned by using a hydrochloric acid. Okay, and the capacity of this mouth glass stopper bottle will be 1 liter. First of all, we take the 1 liter of mouth glass stopper bottle and we clean it. Then we rinse it with the help of the hydrochloric acid and then render them completely odor free by repeating washing with the odorless distilled water. Okay, so first what should we do? We rinse it with the hydrochloric acid. Then after it we take a odorless distilled water and we rinse this bottle with the odorless distilled water until the bottle are completely odor free, which can be prepared by passing the distilled water through a column of graduated activated carbon. Now, how we form this odorless distilled water? Because we have a only distilled water and there is some odor. So for this, what we have to do, we take a distilled water and pass this distilled water with a column. Now inside the column we have a activated carbon. Activated carbon. This activated carbon take all the odor from the distilled water and convert this distilled water into a odorless distilled water. That's it. How that this is all the preparation of the this is all about the preparation of the apparatus. Now the next is your procedure. Okay, again, as soon as we collect the sample, we have to perform the experiment. Otherwise it will affect the quality of the water. As soon as possible after the collection of the sample, we have to perform the experiment. Otherwise it will affect the order quality, not the quality, order quality of the sample. Okay, now what should we do? We Fill the bottle with the sample and half portion should be filled. Now insert the stopper and shake it. Now what we have to do, we take a water, we take a this bottle and put the sample into it. And this bottle are already cleaned by a hydrochloric acid and by a odorless distilled water. Now after cleaning it, what should we do? We take a sample and put into it, and half bottle should be filled. Suppose that if we have a bottle of 1 liter capacity, then the sample should be 500 ml only. Then we insert the stopper into it and shake it vigorously, so for a 2 to 3 seconds. And then we quickly observe the odor of the product. So the odor of the sample. Then sample taken for the observation of odor shall be at a room temperature, and the observation should be occur at a room temperature. Now the next is your, when it is desired to record the odor at an elevated temperature, now make the observation after warming the sample to about 60 degrees Celsius in a clean stopper bottle. Okay, if we get a desired record at that temperature, now what we have to do? We warm that sample and again perform the same procedure. Now report the true odor of the sample at the mouth of the bottle as a rotten, egg, burnt, sugar, soapy, fishy, septic, aromatic, chlorinous, alcohol, odor or any specific odor. In case it is not possible to specify the exact odor, report as a aggregable or disaggregable. Okay, suppose that when we take a order of the sample, then the true order is what, it is either of the rotten egg, burnt, sugar, soapy, fishy, septic, aromatic, chlorinous and alcoholic. Now specify that type of the order. But if it is not possible that to specify the order, then in that case we report as a aggregable, aggregable or disaggregable, means that it is acceptable or not acceptable. Okay, so this is all about the measurement of the order. I hope you will understand. If you have any query related to this topic, you can ask me in a comment box, or for a further detail, you can follow the ITLS Academy on different platforms, that is Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp, and LinkedIn. And subscribe our channel ITLS Academy on YouTube and get our app from a Google Play. Or for any query, you can ask your query to the helpline number that are already mentioned in your slide, that is 7080833450, and visit our website ITLS Academy, www.itlsacademy. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.